Buyers or sellers, who determines the market? We have all heard the real estate market saying it's a seller's market or the buyer is in control. But which one is it? As a buyer or a seller in today's housing market, have you wondered who determines the market? Hi, it's Mariela Velazquez with eXp Realty in San Jose, California. Seems like not a day goes by when we don't read or hear headlines on the housing market, whether it's regarding the mortgage rates, housing prices, or inventory. In fact, it could be quite confusing to either a buyer or a seller on who is in the driver's seat. So what does data do real estate professional analyze when looking at the market? It is the supply and demand of inventory. Typically, when supply is low and buyer demand is high, it tends to be a seller's market. If there's an oversupply of listing, that can indicate that it's a buyer's market. An oversupply of inventory shows demand has cooled, shifting the control to the buyer. To break it down even further, as a real estate professional, we look at the absorption rate of a specific area. What so-called experts say in regards to the absorption rate is that there is less than 5 months supply of houses available to a seller's market. A 5 to 7 month supply indicates a balanced market, and anything more than 7 months supply means it's a buyer's market. However, I do not agree with this, as each area, neighborhood, city, and state will vary. For example, right now in my area, if a home is on the market longer than even 45 days, it's a sign that the house is probably priced too high. So although the experts have given their opinion on what traditionally a seller's market or a buyer's market is, it's really imperative that you consult a seasoned, experienced real estate expert to show you the local data. Let's take a look at what's happening nationally. Nationally, we have been in more of a seller's market with low inventory levels. According to Realtors.com, economist research analyst Hannah Jones, and I quote, "The market is still leaning towards a seller's market, but has gained balance since COVID when the market was red hot. The last true buyer's market was in 2012. When the housing inventory was a little over 7 months, meaning it had been 12 years since supply overweighted demand." End of quote. Of course, this market is not a slam dunk for sellers. It is also challenging to be a seller. Most sellers hold a mortgage with a low interest rate than today's rate. That means if they were to sell, they would be purchasing a higher price market. So although it's more favorable to be a seller in today's market, sellers like buyers face high rates and home prices too. In fact, experts say that the market feels more like a limbo market where both buyer and sellers feel conflicted about the overall economy. But either way, don't give up, as owning real estate is still the number one way to build your net worth over time. If you would like more information on the current inventory in your local area, home prices, and days on the market, please reach out to us today. I can help you prepare your home to go on the market and get the best possible return on your investment. I'm Mariela Velazquez with eXp Realty, helping you make the right move.